Baby Bumps is sponsored by the Breastfeeding for a Healthy Brownsville Community Coalition.
Hello Brownsville, welcome back to another episode of Brownsville Baby Bumps. My name is Luis Salazar and I am the Maternal and Child Health Program Manager for the city of Brownsville. Here in Baby Bumps, we discuss the important topics and issues that affect our mothers, our children, and the entire family. In today's episode, we are going to discuss the effects of smoking, drugs, and alcohol during pregnancy. To show the harmful effects of these substances on a pregnant woman and her unborn baby, we have our motto, "What mommy does, a baby does." Our motto is in her second trimester, about 5 to 6 months of pregnancy after conception. We can clearly see their limbs and the muscles of the baby that start to develop. We can see their arms and the little legs. Normally during this period is when your baby start having activity, start moving around, kicking, punching the mommy's belly. But now, what happens if our mother decides to consume any harmful substance, like cigarettes or even alcohol or other illegal drugs? The substance will enter the mommy's body and then it will go through the placenta of the baby and will end up in the bloodstream of your developing baby. This can be very dangerous because these toxic substances cannot be properly metabolized by your baby's developing liver. The presence of these harmful substances will have a direct impact on your baby's development, primarily in his or her brain and in all the body structures. Let's see what happens when we introduce any cigarettes or drugs into the model. First, we're going to see the effects of cigarettes. We can clearly see when the smoke is entering our baby bloodstream. Now, alcohol. We were able to see how easily these harmful substances enter our baby's bloodstream. Babies exposed to this type of substances will have very negative side effects, such as fetal alcohol syndrome, increase the risk of miscarriages, stillbirth, premature birth, developmental abnormalities, deformities, respiratory systems such as asthma, cognitive delays, and other terrible side effects. If you are planning a pregnancy or think you could become pregnant soon, remember that there is no a safe amount of cigarettes, drugs, or alcohol that you can consume without harming your baby, especially during the first trimester, because during this period, the organs and the neural system of your baby start to develop. The best thing to do is to stop completely the consumption of these substances, or you can ask for help. Here in Brownsville, you can call the Behavioral Health Solutions of South Texas at 956-368-5557, or you can contact the Brownsville Public Health Department Maternal and Child Health Division at 956-546-4357. I would like everyone to know that this episode of Brownsville Baby Booms was sponsored by the Breastfeeding for a Healthier Brownsville Community Coalition here in Brownsville, Texas. Remember to subscribe to the City of Brownsville YouTube channel and to join our BTX Maternal and Child Health Facebook group. Remember, an informed parent is an empowered parent. See you in our next Baby Booms episode.